Ma'am, when it comes to pensioners, the EPS 95 National Agitation Committee has been protesting and demanding an increase in the pension for almost a decade now. Presently, there are around 81 lakh pensioners, and out of the 81 lakh pensioners, most of the pensioners get only 1,000 to 1,200 rupees per month, which is very less. It is the duty of our country and the government to ensure that the elderly of our country are taken care of in their old age and in their hard times. So it is important for us. Their demand is to increase it to at least 7,500 per month. So I request the central government to increase the pensioners' amount to at least 7,500 per month, ma'am. Another thing, ma'am, one of the biggest issues with the government is that it announces certain tax benefits to the people and then it does a policy reversal in subsequent years. Sure. Now, when you give an example, there were tax exemptions on sovereign gold bonds. Looking at this, many investors also subscribe to these sovereign gold bonds. Now the government says that the exemption is only applicable to investors who will hold them for maturity after 8 years and only to those who have subscribed in the original issuance. Investors who purchase these sovereign gold bonds in the secondary market or opted for early redemption will now be liable for capital gains tax. This policy reversal will greatly affect the middle class, ma'am. My only request is that anytime the central government gives any tax benefits in the subsequent years, say they even want to remove these tax benefits, they should not make it retrospective in nature. If the government does this, if they make it retrospective in nature, it deeply erodes the confidence of investors, it deeply removes the trust of the general public in the government tax benefits. So I request the central government that anytime they bring about policy changes and removing tax benefits, they do not make it retrospective in nature.